I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection.
Good morning everyone. So we wake up here in Phrae Province, and we will go a little bit exploring this morning. I saw a few points of interest here, and I have a friend, he's a biker, he has a bike too, from Chiang Mai. And he sent me a few points to go check. He say, go check this, should be nice. Every time he sends me something is pretty good practically. So let's go check a few points and another few points that I found on the map, and let's see what this province has to offer. Actually, it is a small province. It's not big, but I feel like it has a lot to offer. So let's go look. Let's go look what we found. All right, okay, let's go. And here we are. Let's go see. So this was a visitor center, but it's closed, so it's not more a visitor center. But look at the beautiful garden they have here. They're keeping everything very nicely. Look, very nice, very nice. I like this. There is a horse with like a pagoda on top, carrying like a pagoda. Golden, what is that golden stupa called? Golden pagoda. But look how beautiful is this. Everything is very well kept here. And let's see what we can see here where we go. On the other side it's about the same like this, I believe. Yes, it's built all the same like this. Let's go here, let's go. Let's walk, let's see if we can get more closer. But look at this. It's nice. So this is like the entrance in the city, because you practically go in here, and so it's on both sides, how you can see. Nothing really special, but it's on both sides, and it's very nice on both sides of the street, and you go through the gate, and that's what they call the Phrae Northern Gate, practically. Okay. It's a nice view from here, huh? You see the street, look how beautiful. That's very, very nice. And oh, and here you go on the, I don't know, you can see. And here you go in, you can go on top. And here we are. Can see very nice. Actually, it is very nice. You have a nice view because this garden is very, very, very well kept. All right, okay. And so we leave. From here, and we go to the second point of interest that my friend sent me. Should be nice. The next, if I remember good, I have 2 points still. One I found them on online on Google Map, and the other is the one that the Ben from Chiang Mai sent me. So let's see. What is the next? I don't remember now. Ah. Wow, look at this. This is very nice. Very, very, very beautiful. Look at the color, the art. This is a giant Buddha, inclined Buddha. And look at the painting. How nice is the painting? And that's is a golden bird. I don't know. We're gonna go look now. Looks like a bird. Looks almost like a chicken, like a turkey. I don't know. I cannot make up now. But then underneath, like this, is almost like a boat. We got to go there to look. But look at all that. But look at this. I'm amazed. Look at the color. It's just beautiful. I have seen many temples here in Thailand, but I can tell you that this is very beautiful. All right. Okay, let's go. Let's go more close. Let's go see more close. So let's look here. What we gonna see here? This is like a wall, and that is like a king, I think. You got the two horses on the side. This is the later king that died, I don't know, a few years ago now. I don't remember exactly. I think that's his statue. Yes, that's the statue of him, yes. And that's the elephant. Let's go up from here. Let's go see what we see from here. You see? So this looks like a king with the swords, and there are all the elephants. That is a symbol of power too. Here are some canyon, you see. It's very nice. Okay, so from here is closed, so we cannot go but the side of the Buddha. But we can go here. Here is closed too. We can go here. Yes, this is locked, so we cannot go here. But you can look from here. I mean, it's giant. And look at the feet. I saw this in some picture where I saw the print of the foot of Buddha. And they have all this symbol like this. Hey, it's very nice. So look at this. Look how beautiful is this. Wow, and look at this on this side. Really, really nice. Look, can you see the Buddha up there? The sitting Buddha. And here there are a lot of Buddha, but in different position. So very nice, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Look at this, all the elephant around, like the stupa is called this, if I'm not mistake. And all the elephant around like carrying and like almost like carrying or holding on their back the really beautiful. And there you have a monument at the war, I believe. Oh, and look at this. So here is the naga, the snake, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. It's like 7 people like holding back, like pulling back the naga, or holding him or pulling him. Looks like. Look at this. This is so beautiful here. Look at this. And here, look. Let me show you. Look at this. Very, very nice. Look at the art and look at the color, red, green, and wow. Look at the art, all the sculpture that you have all around, everywhere. It's just beautiful. Okay, and there is the bird. Let's go, the bird or a ship or... Okay, here we are. You see, these are all the wing, practically. At least that's what I think. No, wait. Wait, that's not a bird. Wait. Ha! It looks like a bird, but this is a proboscia. I don't know how you say that, the proboscia in Italian, proboscia. From an elephant. Yes, oh, look at that eyes. I hope you can see with the GoPro. Look at that eyes, how beautiful they are. Yes. This is almost like a bird, but with the face of a elephant. Ay, that's so beautiful. That's very beautiful. Very, 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 very nice. And here is this, look. Look how beautiful is this. So they are carrying, that's not the naga, the 7-head naga, because he has only one head, but it's like they're carrying like a snake on their back, or like a dragon, something like that. But it's very beautiful. And here in the middle, I don't know if you can see, you have a rabbit. This is the first time I see this. I never have seen this like this. So this is like a rabbit, and I think this is ancient writing, but almost doesn't look like Thai. I don't know, I have no idea. But it doesn't look like Thai. It looks more, maybe I'm wrong, but I mean, when I look at Thai now today, it's not like this. Maybe it's an old Thai, or I don't know. I don't know what it represents, this. Do you see the chain? It's carrying this. And it has a rabbit there. Very interesting. Very interesting. All right, okay, let's go. Let's go to the next point of interest. Look how beautiful. Look at the color. Look at the color of the eye. The face. It's just like perfect. Wow. Okay, let's go to the next point of interest that I found them on the map, and it looks like a park, like something like that. And all right, okay, let's go from here. Look at this. Look at this blue sky. Look at this mountain here. Phrae, small Phrae, small province, but I guess they have a say. I think it's an American say, or maybe it's an Italian say, I don't know, but it's a say I have heard many times, saying big thing comes in small package. And look at this. This is just wonderful here. After Loei, another place, and no disappointment at all. Very, very, very nice. All right, okay, let's go. And here we are passing a river. Oh, look at this, look at this. I got to stop here 1 second. We can stop when we come back too, but look at this. Look at this, this is beautiful, huh? Oh, look at this. That's a nice picture here. When we come back, we're gonna stop here and take a picture. Taklon National Park. 18 to 16. Buy ticket. Here. It doesn't look nobody's here. Hello? Where do you buy the ticket? I mean, it has to be somebody here. So we are going back because the actual park is closed. Don't have idea why it's closed. Nobody was there at the beginning, but then the lady came and told me, no, the park is closed. That's why nobody was there at in the front. Wow, is it good? It's actually destroyed here, Al. I don't know where Google is sending me, but doesn't look like such a big street here where we're going. Look at that. Look at that on top of that mountain. I don't think we are going there, but We are passing close actually. That's nice up there, huh? Looks very nice. So we are going around, and it's actually bigger than what I was thinking. Look at that. I think it's from here. Let's go investigate. Let's go see what actually is. What way? This way or that way? Okay, let's go this way. It looks really big, giant. I don't know what is this place. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, yeah, you got to climb there. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not in the position of climbing all the way there because I'm not in the best shape to go up there in the staircase. I'm not. That are like 1,000 steps to go up there. I'm not in the position to go there. You know, eventually I need to go home and I need to train and exercise and losing weight. You know that I'm struggling with my weight and I'm trying to lose, but it's really hard for me. I don't know why. So very hard for me to lose weight. I've been struggling with this weight for a long time. So I'm not in the best shape really to climb 1,000 steps to go up there. Supposedly we arrived here. Let's see where we are going here, where we're parking. All right, okay guys, let's look what is this here. Marai Stone Forest Natural Trail. All right, okay, let's walk and let's see what we see here. So this is supposedly like a camel. You know, the camel, he has like form like, and this he's like sleeping, and this is like the head and the long neck, you know, and you know the two things there on top. Looks something like that, yeah. Oh well, maybe you have to imagine. Okay, let's go here. Let's look what else we found here. It is full of mosquito, but it looks actually very nice. So I guess we need to use our imagination. Yeah, it's just on the side of the street, so it's a little bit noisy. But we have to use our imagination to understand what we see. You get to like have some fantasy, right? So this was a camel. This was very easy for me. Right away, that was the first thing that I thought was a camel. All this instead, I don't know what to make up with this. I don't know, what will be that? Bah. They supposedly they have like form of animal. They have taken form of animal. This is so millions of years old here, and they was deposited something like that. I read. Let's see. Let's just walk around a little bit and let's see what we're gonna see. But oh my God, how many bugs and animals are here, and mosquitoes, they are eating me all. Can you hear? Huh. Listen. You can hear the wind in the tree, the leaf falling down, the dry leaf falling down. And here and there you heard the car passing. Right, okay, let's go. Okay, here we have something. Let's see if it's in English. No, it's not in English, and if it was in English, you cannot read nothing anyway. So I guess this represents an animal. Look at that. That looks like a camel now, but standing, huh? But these bugs are eating me completely. Look at this tree. Look at this nice tree. Look how tall it is. Very tall. I really think has to be very nice in the rainy season here when it rains and everything is very green. Should be very nice actually. Now it's very much dry, how you can see a lot of leaf falling everywhere from the tree. But it's nice here. Well, besides the car. You can hear the wind. Okay, let's go. Look at this plant. Never seen a plant like this. Look at the form of this plant. Very interesting. Well, what to say? I mean, interesting. The stone forest. Taklon National Park. Yeah, you have to have a lot of fantasy really to imagine all this animal with the stone. But oh my God, it's full of mosquito, full of. I think in the winter, in the rainy season, this is beautiful because it's all green. But oh my God, if they eat me now, this mosquito, think about in the rainy season how they're gonna eat you here. Yeah, it's very nice, but okay. I mean, if you pass from here, it's okay. It's nice to see him, but really come here just for this? No, I don't think it's worth really. But I mean, that's my opinion, okay? Unless you want to be eaten by mosquitoes and animal and bugs and all this thing. All right, okay. I think it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're gonna go back to the hotel. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is nice. Can we go here? Wow, look at this. Wow, so beautiful.
I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I would walk on glass, I would run 10